How to change the Roblox chat filtering level. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll show you how to adjust your Roblox chat filtering level quickly and easily. To modify this setting, go to the Roblox website using a web browser. Once logged in, click on the settings icon in the top right corner of the screen. Then navigate to the privacy tab. From there, you can just adjust your chat filtering level. To complete the process, scroll the bottom of any page on the Roblox website and click on Help. This will take you to the Roblox Help page. Choose any article, scroll to the bottom, and click on Need More Help. Contact support here. Fill out the required information and specify that you want to change the chat filtering level for your account. Submit the form and wait for their response. They will get back to you within 24 to 48 hours of time. So this was all about how can you change the Roblox chat filtering level. If you found this video informative, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.